morning, beautiful people. Hi, how are you? How is everybody from whichever part of the world or the country you're watching us from or you're watching me from? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the return subscribers. Well, if you're new here, my name is Awar. This channel I vlog about simple recipes that you can try at the comfort of your house. I also vlog about hacks that really comes in handy. So thank you so much for your support so far. We are heading to 300 subscribers. I don't take that for granted. Thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so and hit onto the notification bell so that you're alerted each and every time I upload a new video. So guys, I do my cleanings on Sundays. After church, I do my cleaning on Sundays. I do the laundry. We clean the house. I prepare for the week. So let's do this together. I'm gonna be preparing food for today. I'm also gonna be cleaning the kitchen and just trying to, it's been a while since I've done the kitchen cleaning and all that. And so come with me. We're gonna start by boiling. I have some food. So guys, cooking a little bit of lentils and some gizzard. We love gizzard in this house, so we're gonna be preparing gizzard and some lentils. I'll take you through how I normally prepare my lentils. Or it's a recipe that you can use with lentils. You can use with any dengu that you have or any cereals that you have. So the process is more or less the same. As for the gizzard, I've done a video on that. Can we go back to our videos and just watch? And then we are also preparing some chapatis. People also love chapatis in this house, so we're preparing some chapatis with lentils and some gizzard. So that will be it for food for today. And then we've not also had breakfast, so I'm gonna be preparing also breakfast. I'm just gonna do a little bit of some pancake and just normal tea. So come along with me as we do this. Let's do this together, guys. These are just my pancakes. I've done a video on how to, prepare pancakes. So just check out the videos and try my recipe. I really hope you enjoy it. I don't prepare pancakes with oil when I'm making. I mean, just check out our videos and let me know what you think. Is it something you can try? Let me know. So yeah, gonna have this with some tea. So guys, our chapatis are also doing okay. I have done a whole video in one of my previous videos on chapati recipe. So if you are yet to watch it, kindly go back, watch, like, comment, and try it out. Let me know how yours stand out. I mean, we all have different ways of cooking chapatis. So just check out our previous videos. The vlog is actually there. And let me know if you tried it out and how it turned out. So I'm just getting the chapatis ready, and then I'm going to our lentils, and then later on I will cook the gizzard. So guys, we're getting our lentils. I'm just making the lentils. I just want to take you through the process. So tomatoes, today I'm gonna blend our tomatoes because we're cooking lentils and I don't want to chop the tomatoes, so I'm just gonna blend them. As always, we have our chopped onions. I hope you're able to see that, our chopped onions. And then we have, I'm gonna use, this is ginger. I'm gonna just grate this, and these are garlic. So we're gonna grate these two, ginger and garlic, and then of course our dhania. So yeah, this is our dhania. So we're gonna use the dhania, and just as simple as that. As always, soy sauce is just one of the ingredients that I normally add on to any dish that I'm cooking because it just adds some flavor to the food. And then the only spice I'm gonna use today is the chicken masala. So let's get into it. Again, these are just overview of the ingredients I'm using. There is the chopped onions and then the tomatoes I'm gonna blend, and then the garlic and the ginger I'm just gonna grate. So guys, our onions are getting brown. Sure, as you do this, as I always insist, reduce the heat, because this ensures that your onions do not get burned. So just reduce the heat to ensure that your food or your onions don't get burned. So this is all grated. This is a mixture of the two, that is garlic and ginger. I don't put a lot, just enough. I just want the lentils to have that flavor of the mixture of the two. When you mix the two, there's a flavor that comes out that is really, really good in food. So whichever food you cook, make sure you get the proportions. Do not cook too much also, you don't want to exaggerate or something. Just ensure that it's in moderation. Okay? So let's just wait for that to brown and then we'll proceed. So guys, our onions are already browned. Our garlic and ginger, and also ensure that the stem is brown. Just give it a little bit of some time. And reduce your heat. Reduce your heat. So how do you cook your lentils? How do you cook your cereals? How do you cook your beans? How do you cook your dengu? I just want to know. Do you have a special, sort of like a secret ingredient you add to the dish to make it tasty? Or let's talk in the comment section. I really want to know how you cook them. Maybe we can try your recipe. Yeah, let's talk. So once the ginger and garlic browns, then you remember today I said we're gonna blend our tomatoes. So you just add your blended tomatoes to the mixer. Yeah. So like I said, the mixture of the two, garlic and ginger, always brings out some flavor that is just good with any dish you're making. So try mixing the two and make sure that while you're cooking with the two, make sure that they cook well. Like when you put them in the oil, just make sure they cook well. Okay? As already cooked, so we're just gonna add our soy sauce as usual. Today I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. You can use whichever quantity you want depending on the dish you're cooking and the number of people you're cooking for. So again, I'll repeat that. Add soy sauce and then lower the heat. And I just use 1 tablespoon. So it depends with the number of people you're cooking for. I really don't have an exact quantity, but I always just use my tablespoon or a teaspoon depending on what spices I'm using. So again, I'm not gonna add a lot of spice because remember, I always say that I like having my food as natural as possible when it comes to spicing. I don't always like adding too much spices on food because then I really want to maintain the original taste in our food. So the few spices that I added just to, bring the juice from the food, from the dish that I'm cooking out. But I try as much as possible to avoid adding spices. I use, if I need to add spice, I normally use natural spices. So I'm gonna add our salt and let that cook for a while. We'll continue to soak before we add our lentils. once that is done, I'm just gonna add our lentils. I hope you can see properly. So guys, as I said, how do you cook your cereals, or are you a fan of lentils like me? I love lentils because they tend not to have acidity in them, so I prefer them to beans. I don't know about you. Is it something you like to eat, and which kind of cereals do you always cook, and how do you cook your cereals? How do you prepare cereals? You know, let's just talk on the comment section. I really want to hear from you people. So I hope you're able to see. So this is how our mixture stand out. Even from far you can literally tell that it's yummy. So you're gonna cook this for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm just gonna let it boil and lower it again. I really want the lentils to just absorb all the spices that you've used, everything else that you've put inside here. And then I'm gonna add our dhania. I mean, the cube looks ready. All it needs is just dhania and you're good to go. So here we go. So today I'm cooking for quite a number of people. That's why the food is more than enough. So once you add your dhania, remember you don't want to overcook your dhania. Just let it boil for a minute or so, a minute or two, and then you will be good to go. Okay. So don't forget to share your experiences with cereals. Which one works for you? Which one you really just can't find yourself cooking or having? I mean, let's talk in the comment section. So as you can see, our lentils are ready, and of course we're gonna have them with the chapatis. I didn't show you how, because I've done a recipe on chapatis. So we're gonna have them with the chapatis. So this is what we're gonna have with lentils and the chapatis. So yeah, our food is ready. So the other bit is just I'm gonna get the gizzards prepared. But guys, I've already done a recipe of gizzards with you, so I don't think I'm gonna feature that here on this current vlog. But you can always refer to our previous recipes of gizzards, of our previous recipes. There's one recipe of gizzard. Please try it out and let me know how it turned out. Okay. In the meantime, I'm just gonna be getting ready to just do the cleaning and all that. Okay. So I'm done with a little bit of the cooking in the kitchen. So I'll just proceed with this other side. But today I'm not gonna do a video on just cleaning and all that. But I will do a detailed video on probably just cleaning the sitting room and how we're going to do mine. Being that Sundays are my cleaning day, so I'll not really do a video today. I'll not really do this video today. But I just want to know what you normally do on Sundays. As in, are you the type of person who has a day specifically for cleaning, like I had said? I know I'm just repeating myself, but I really want to know what you normally do on Sundays. For me, Sundays, everything is removed and the house is turned upside down because it's a cleaning day. It's the only day that, I find enough time to just go through the entire house and clean and declutter things where I don't need them and all that. So yeah. So guys, I think I'm just gonna close this video here. But if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so. Remember to hit on to the notification bell so that you're alerted each and every time I upload a new video. And please don't just watch, also like, share, comment, and let's just talk and let's grow together. And we are heading to 300 subscribers. Please share with your friends, your family, and let's grow together. Just entire cleaning of the house and all that. So see you then, and stay safe, lovely people, and I'll catch you in my next video.